Crazy over here.
This shit started in the gutter. I'ma leave the streets one day because I owe it to my mother. Family come first, so I do it with my brother. We was down bad, but it was cool, we had each other. Felt like the world watched me suffer. Even shorty left me in, knowing that I love her. Had my name tatted, but I heard she got it covered. I know she regretted cause I'm up, motherfucker. I used to feel like I was missing out. Now it's perks and Don Hooley when I'm pissing out. I don't need a heart, wish I could rip it out. And bitch, you better swallow, don't spit me out. Life is what you want it to be. Shorty wanna